Namaste. Welcome to third semester BCom Corporate Administration subject of Kuvempu University. This is session number 9. Today's topic is legal provisions to establish startup new company. That means we have to discuss what are the legal provisions are there to start a new company. So in the last session number 8, we have discussed about meaning of corporate veil and lifting of corporate veil. So today we have to understand to know the legal provisions to establish start of new company according to Companies Act 2013. So legal steps that you have to follow, there are 12 are there. Steps are legal provisions to establish start of new company. So there is no complication. The only thing is that you have to understand in a very easy manner. That's all. The number one is checking the company name availability. Before we start a company, what is very important is we have to select a name. So after selecting the name, we have to check it whether the name is available or not, because the same name should not be there. That means if there is a XYZ company and again you or me can't keep a name same XYZ company, okay, that is not allowed. So the first one is checking the company name availability. First they have to keep the name and they have to check whether the name is available or not first. And second one, acquiring director's identification number. Yeah, so for this they have to apply to the register of company. They have to get this director's identification number. Third, acquiring DSC. DSC means digital signature certificate that they have to acquire. Fourth, obtaining an incorporation certificate. So after submitting all the documents, that is memorandum of association, articles of association, and then registration fees, and all the formalities are completed, then the register of companies will issue the incorporation certificate, that is a registration certificate. Then after that, creating a company seal for official documentation. They have to create a company seal and stamping of all company documents. That is also very important. Stamping of all the company documents, whether it is a memorandum of association or articles of association or any other, including prospectus or any other documents which are necessary to start a company. And number 7, acquiring a permanent account number. So company has to apply for the permanent account number PAN and they have to acquire. Next, acquiring a tax account number, that is TAN, tax deduction and collection account number. Number 9, obtaining a certificate from the state or municipal inspector under the Shops and Establishment Act. Okay, that is also important because to start a business, so there is a need of this certificate. And now they have to apply for the GST registration also. Next, number 11, obtaining professional tax certificate from the state professional tax office. So from the state professional tax office they have to obtain a professional tax certificate, because when they collect the PT, that is professional tax from their employees, that has to be paid to the concerned professional tax office, so that they have to take the professional tax certificate. And number 12 is completing the National Employees Provident Fund registration. So after that they have to go for a National Employees Provident Fund, that is PF account registration also they have to do it. So by this they can start a company. These are the formalities that the person who is going to start a company has to be followed. Now let us see some simple and very important MCQ. That is, first one is full form of DIN. That is, DIN means director identification number, and full form of DSC, that is digital signature certificate, and full form of PAN. So it is which is issued by the income tax department, that is permanent account number. And full form of GST, of course, it may be the very simple question, but even then you must know very clearly, that is goods and services tax. Goods and services tax. Okay, it's not just goods and service tax, it is a services tax, that you must know. So the full form of GST is this. And then TAN. Okay, TAN, you may be heard TAN, but you may not be knowing what is TAN right now. Yeah, so let us understand. TAN means, that is tax deduction and collection account number. Source to study and elaborate study, if you want to go for any elaborate study in the net, in the Google source, there are plenty of articles are available, you can read, and even you can follow the Companies Act 2013. Yeah, this is about the establishment of new start of company. Yes, okay. Thank you, and wish you all the very best. And this is the last topic in the first chapter of corporate administration of BCom third semester of Coimbatore University. Thank you. Wish you all the very best. Where there is a will, there is a way.